Welcome to the world united. Welcome to the world united.
That is just really so amazing because you always had the seed, and maybe that seed has just completely grown and branched into new dimensions, but you always had the seed. And I mean, I'm sure women all over the world who will watch this is going to be like, I wish I had a hairdresser, because the relation the relationship you have with your hairdresser is really an intimate one. For women,
Yes,
at
it is.
least, the hair is the ego. And
Yes.
if your hairdresser is going to move away or something, it's like a crisis because this is a
It is.
very intimate connection.
It is. And another thing also about hairdressing,
Uh-huh.
as you obviously know, because you place a great importance on it, is that one of the things I heard when I started my career as a hairdresser is that hairdressers had a bad reputation for not listening. That they didn't listen to the client. So the client would then get upset. They didn't get what they wanted. It was too short. It was too long. It was too black. It was too brown, whatever it was, that they felt like their hairdressers didn't listen. Now, I caught on to that very early on and made a really focused intent on listening to clients and and that was what enabled me to hear, not only hear it verbally, like what people wanted, but also intuitively. Intuitively, because sometimes people never spoke to me. So I had to use my intuition. I didn't have anything else. So, I developed a very strong intuition and a very, very strong ability to listen to people, to what it was they really wanted that they weren't necessarily saying. And that, as you know, that's a gift and a talent that I've developed. And I think, part of what we mean by what we've seen in the hollow movement of purpose, if you can distinguish what your purpose is, then you can use it consciously. If because we all have a purpose, but if you're not related to it, you can't benefit from it at will, when you choose. You'd have to just benefit from it when it visited you, but you would not be in command. And so when you can distinguish what your purpose is, then you're in command, and you can utilize it very consciously in any and all circumstances.